See, I'm a little tense. I got tip.
It's been a year and a half.
Yeah.
Since March or April of last year.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you made it here, so you're gonna get treated.
You made it, you gonna get treated.
Yep.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rico, So Funny, man. Back with another vlog, man. And today, I'm here to see my chiropractor, Dr. Shalabi. You know what I'm saying? He took care of me last time. You know, I had some back pain and some neck pain, you know what I'm saying? But the wife, she needs some help. She having back problems, leg problems.
I don't have no
You too young.
You know, adjustment also what it does? It takes care of attitude. You're gonna
Yeah, it take care
that's
of
why
attitude.
he's bringing
Oh yeah,
you.
for
You're
sure.
ready. Yeah.
Yeah, it take care of attitude, yo.
Yeah.
Bring her once a week.
I got a good attitude.
Once a week. Look, she probably doing this to calm down.
Yeah.
It's bad, folks.
Let's see. You're gonna change your mind, I promise you.
I'll
Yeah, for
see.
sure.
I don't want to go first. How about that?
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
let him, you feel me, do his thing, but you gotta still get it done. It don't matter.
Him, I already did the x-ray on him before, so I'm gonna have you fill out these paperwork first. It's not gonna take a long time. Then I'm gonna do my exam, x-rays, go over the x-rays, then do a very nice adjustment.
Yep.
Now you're gonna beg him to come here next. Like, come on, let's go.
Yeah, she goes.
So sweet.
Yeah.
Do my job. Nah.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Come on over.
Yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure y'all come see Dr. Shalabi, man. He do his thing. You leave here, you feel like a new person. You know what I'm saying? But I've been wanting to bring the wife for about a year now, so I finally got her here. She was scared. She talked about people be down when they do that. He breaking people's necks. No, he not, man. Or is he? Damn.
All right, first I'm gonna have you lay down on your back. Your head goes here and your legs there.
All right, cool.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Yes, you remember that from last time?
I think so.
There you go.
Okay.
This is called the roller bed. And what it's gonna do is, it's gonna massage the muscles next to your spine from top to bottom. See how it's going up and down?
Yeah.
Right now it's on your neck and it's going down to the mid back. It's gonna go all the way to the lower back and come back right up. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you enjoy it and I'll see you afterwards.
For sure.
So take care of the wife.
Yup. Yeah, take care of him, man. The legal way. Yeah, man. I came a little while ago, man. I needed this, man. Body been tense, you feel me? I'm fucking kind of low, man. Man, it's tickling my butt, man. I ain't supposed to be doing that. But yeah. Man. Oh yeah, man. Dr. Shalabi right here on 127th in Harlem. For the people that want to know, I'm going to make sure it's page in the description, you know what I'm saying, for y'all. But it's definitely a relief, man, you know. On the real, it's definitely a relief. And bro, I need this. I went to sleep on y'all last one, bro. You know what I'm saying? The wife's scared. Hey, look, she gonna be scared, but she gonna be happy. I think she did not want to come. I had to make her though. I can't wait to see her reaction. That's what's funny. Last time I came too, I did this, I let him do what he do, but I came as Uncle Eddie. Like when he actually did his thing, I was dressed up as my Uncle Eddie character, man. For content. But I was breaking character when he was doing it. That shit funny. But yeah. I forgot what we do next. I think we're gonna go upstairs and we gonna have to do something else. And then we're gonna do the thing where he like grab your head and he snap your neck. And then he gonna put this hardest thing on your head and he gonna pull it. He gonna pull your head out of your spine. It's funny. You ain't supposed to be listening to me, man.
Good. So this is a picture from you from the side. When you look at the side first, let's talk about the normal. There should be a curve in the neck like that, and it looks straight. And the curve in here. This is your neck. Do you have that curve?
No.
No. It is very common right now. Why? Because most people doing what? On their phone and the computer, so they're losing the curve. When the head goes forward like that, as you see the curve, it should be this way. Yours is going that way. It will cause so many issues. Neck pain, headaches.
And always get like.
Exactly,
And
shooting pain down in here, just like this picture right there. Look, when the nerve gets pinched, it will start shooting down to the shoulder and sometimes down the arms right over in here. Good, so I'll show you that, right, stand over here. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna feel this one here and right over in there. Right there, you feel that muscle in the right side more?
Yeah.
Compared to the left. Remember how I was talking about the right side? You see it? It's all on that right side right there.
Yeah, they hurt on this side.
Yes, and look, I'm pushing in that left in here. You feel a difference? You want to feel this? Come over.
Oh yeah.
Look,
Oh, something's wrong with her neck.
feel that good side first. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, you don't even have to press. Look. You feel it?
Yeah, I feel that.
So now, at
Neck
home,
roll.
if she's not nice, all you do, just grab that neck and go like this. I'm just kidding.
I knew something was wrong with her. Never mind.
So, I want you to buy one of these. You get them from Amazon, Walmart, Target, Five Below, whatever. Like what he was just on the table right now. I'm gonna put it in the same table. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on the floor and you're gonna roll your back on the floor just like that. It's called the foam roller.
Foam roller.
Yep. This is gonna help a lot to bring that posture up. Good. The other thing I want you to do for your neck is just to roll a towel, put it behind your neck, right in here, and you're gonna pull that towel forward and you're gonna drop your head back. Why? Because we wanna try to do what? To gain this curve in the neck and open it up a little bit so the bones in the front don't rub against each other, and that could lead to some degeneration or arthritis or decaying later on. Good? Any questions?
Yeah. No.
Did I explain everything?
Yes.
Nice. You ready to get in that roller pit? Are you still scared?
Yeah.
You still? After all of this?
Your neck broke, man. You gotta get on that roller bed, man.
All
I
right.
ain't scared of that.
Come on over. What are you scared of? The adjustment?
Yeah.
That's the best part.
Woo.
Come on over, right in here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna lay down on your back, face up. No, your head is here. That's slightly, yeah, perfect, right there. Feeling that roller going up and down? I want you to do the same at home with the foam roller to help push everything up. Any questions?
So when you do the phone roller, am I moving myself?
You're moving yourself. I have a picture upstairs. I'm gonna have you take a picture with your phone with it.
Okay.
Good? Anytime you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to answer. Good? Perfect.
You feel better? Dog?
That don't mean I want to do it. No, this part is okay, but the other part.
Yeah. But you still gotta get the other part. You knew something was wrong with your neck, man.
No, you didn't. You ain't said nothing about my neck. Ever.
Something wrong with her neck, man.
You say you like my neck.
But it can be better.
Why don't you just cut that out?
You say
What
your
about
neck.
your neck? Your neck could be better too. You said you was gonna go first.
No, you
No,
go
you
first.
go first.
See how y'all tricked me and lied to me, manipulated me?
Yeah, give me your purse. Get on that table, young lady. Yeah, you going first.
That was the deal though.
Yeah, the deal is you get on that table, man. You get on that table, Miss
Don't
Lady.
trust no niggas. That's what I learned from this. Men ain't shit and they lie and they manipulate.
I lie,
us.
I cheat, I steal. I lie, I cheat, I steal. Who was that? Eddie Guerrero? Or Chavo? Who was that?
Why did y'all lie to me?
I lie, I cheat, I steal. I lie, I cheat, I steal.
You're gonna
Yeah.
sit right here and face me. Just sit.
Yeah. Have a seat, young lady. I lie, I cheat, I steal. Yeah. What's wrong, Miss Life?
Y'all are hot to me.
You'll be alright.
You don't seem too happy.
Yeah, she thought I was going first. Nah.
You come sit right here so you can see her. Right
Yeah.
there. So after that first adjustment, you're gonna change your mind.
I'm tired of you, Bob. You gonna be like, man, let's go back.
Yup. Ready?
No.
Okay. I'm ready. They're ready.
Yeah.
You're gonna be ready in a second.
Uh-uh.
Focus, relax. Let me have your neck.
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna turn, you gotta turn it.
What you just do?
Yeah. You needed that.
Alright, it ain't hurt.
Yeah, I knew it wasn't gonna hurt.
That's it, we're done. No more for you. You said you don't want any more, right?
Right.
Okay, we're done.
Nah, sit down, man. Don't
Just
let that
listen.
go. Yeah.
How did that feel?
You felt alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
But again?
Oh, again, the other side. Let go. Drop. Relax.
It's hard to relax when you cracking my. This the only man supposed to be cracking me.
Hey, man, I gotta let this
Look,
Dr.
see, y'all
Salabi get his
kids.
turn. We running.
Wow. Okay. It don't want that bad.
Yeah, see? Feel good, don't it? Yeah.
Okay, what's the next karate move?
Okay. You're gonna lay down on your stomach. Right? And face in here. You feel that?
Mm-hmm. Ah, shit.
That's the one right there. That's the table.
That hurt my booty.
Take a deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
it hurt at first, but now I feel like better.
Yeah.
Good. That's exactly it.
Oh. Okay, it ain't as bad as I thought.
Turn on your side. Lay down on your right side. And I keep my show PG. Good. Move down a little bit. Look, this is the one that you came in today for. This is the one that you've been needing. Give me that. Right here. Here. Cover this up. So I'm moving this. Remember the one we're touching downstairs? And that one. And just relax.
He killed me with his little step back.
Yeah. He cool. He laid up against the wall. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how I feel.
Maybe I'm gonna be able to do the Beyonce and Shakira. Okay.
See? Was that bad?
No.
All right. Turn. The other way.
I don't know why I thought it was gonna be so bad. It's okay. I need to stand up to see how I feel.
Go for it. Stand up. Let's see how you feel.
Okay. Feel a little looser. Was Was that it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Move around, let's see how you're feeling. I turn off my camera, you know, when you move around, let's see how you're feeling. Bend down, do whatever you want to do.
I feel.
Yeah, but usually when I be like, washing machine and stuff. Okay, it ain't hard yet. Okay.
Feel the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Lay down on your back, face up. I'm not recording that one, so you can record it. You're gonna bend your legs. I'm gonna check your front pelvic bone, see if it needs it. Push your knees together. Push, hard, squeeze, push. Good. One more. Right there. We got that tiny bit. And here's.
Oh! I didn't know you could crack feet bones.
You can crack everything.
Yeah.
You got a wife? You be doing this to your wife?
Yes. Wife and kids. Just my wife and kids. All the time. I have a table at home.
Okay.
Now move down a little. That's
That's
good
enough.
enough. Okay, you're gonna lift your neck up
I'm scared of this one. I did see this one.
and put your neck down. Right.
I'm scared.
Move down a little bit. Perfect.
I'm scared.
So, take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. All the way out.
Did that just make me taller? What was that? What was that called?
The Y strap.
Oh my
The
God.
Y strap, you know.
Was that the last one?
We'll see.
Jesus.
See, how was it bad?
Yeah.
Let's see how it decompressed your spine.
Mhm.
I heard it too. That was loud.
Yeah. Y'all look like y'all about to jump me.
Yeah, you needed that. Yeah, nah. You ain't doing anybody gotta crack something else.
Ooh, Lord.
Yeah, move, yeah. My neck pop when I move. You straight?
Okay, what's next?
What's next? Sit, face this way for you.
You know I use my hands a lot. Can I do it? I'm gonna let you know tomorrow how I
Okay.
feel.
I would love to hear that.
Yeah.
You
How you feel right now?
I feel okay.
Yeah.
Feel like I got cracked.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. You
Feel
know,
mad at y'all.
I'm a little tensed up. It's the Big Rico Show. Yeah, it's been a whole year.
It's been a year, yes sir.
Been a year since I've been in here, man. And when I was Uncle Eddie.
Yup.
I was in character. But I had to come as my regular self this
Just
time.
afraid of.
Nah, Fred. I'll bring Fred in here one day too. My other character I be playing with the feline shirt.
Sure.
Yeah, Fred might need an adjustment.
Let's go for it.
Alright. Damn. I felt it. Y'all heard it? Woo. Yeah. Alright, let's get the other side, man. Yeah, that was it for sure. Damn. Damn. was stop.
Yeah, I told you your neck.
That was it right there. See, I'm a little tense. I got tipped. Damn. It felt good though. I needed that for sure. Yeah, I felt that. It was like it went from this side to like over here. Yeah. Alright. Damn. That side was broke. It was that side needed some help right there. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, let's get it. Whew.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
It was like nothing compared to this.
No.
Ooh, boy. Also, you know why? Because you said you crack your neck on your own, right?
I do, a lot.
You're making it worse. I definitely do not recommend that and probably go this way. And that's the worst thing you can do. You're moving stuff that keeps on moving a lot and you're making other area being stuck. And that's exactly what happened. I needed to go in there and move the one that you're making worse.
Okay.
That's why people shouldn't be cracking their neck. Here's what they should be doing. You can sit right on your hand, put this right under, turn it around, sit on it.
Sit on my, both hands?
One hand. Reach over with the other hand, sit straight. You're gonna reach over this way, straight, and you're gonna pull down. And you're gonna hold, and you feel that stretch right there.
Wow.
And you pull and hold, and you pull more. You wanna go this way. Not that way, not this way, this way. Same thing here, this way.
Oh, okay.
You
Because I
got
always catch myself like this, doing this.
as long as, look, you're not assisting with your hand. If it moves around and it cracks, it's fine, but never this way.
Okay, I got you.
Got it?
So we go on like this,
Yep, stretching it.
so I can from back here. All right, cool. I got you. You say face down?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, he just snapped. That motherfucker was. Yeah. Yeah, I'ma just tell him to do wheel. Since he wanna laugh, he did this shit funny. I'm over there, he did this shit right. Man, G, that hurt it, bro. But it didn't hurt at the same time. How did it sound, y'all?
Crazy.
It sounded crazy, man.
It was like, sound like a switch.
Damn. Yeah. The first time it was a little pop on the other side, but that side, I don't know if it sounded like the motherfucker was twisting one of them things that come in a box with all the bubbles on it. What's they called?
Bubble wrap?
Yeah. Bubble wrap. My shit sound like bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. Yeah.
Hands right.
Alright. Oh, damn. Alright, big dog.
Gotta relax.
Yeah, I felt that. See, I be having a problem with this knee.
Yeah, and that's why
It be feeling tender.
it popped more. You felt it right in here?
Yeah.
Once I turn it on your back, I'm gonna do more on it too.
Alright.
That's the table.
Ooh.
Take a deep breath on. All the way out.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I felt that one. Yeah. Bubble wrap back too, huh? Man.
That sound like bubble wrap.
Yeah, that felt good, for sure.
And lay down on your right side.
Alright, let's do it. Am I up too high? I'm all good.
No, you're good. You're perfect.
Yeah, I don't know why my knee's so tender, man.
Because also the pelvis is a little bit off.
Oh, shit. Then that made me fart in this motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, I felt that. It felt good, though.
Turn the other way.
I feel like this the side that's funny. Yeah, problem. ain't crack.
That's
why they here. You trying to get a redo. Nah. Yeah, that was it right there. Yeah. Feel like a new man.
So what's going on when you crack the bone? Or
on your back. So between each two bones, there's a little bit of a capsule.
Man.
Capsule that builds up. So when we
That was
adjust
it right
there's
there.
just a release of the gas in between the capsule.
Okay.
Yes. And it put that bone back in place.
So I'm finna be able to go to the park.
That's just a gas release.
Dunk
So that
everything, you
makes the two
feel?
bones together once you release
I'm
them.
be able to dunk everything, man, you know?
Moves. Just like that. And once
Yeah.
you do it, it releases the gas in between.
I think
Just
my
starts
wingspan like 8 feet
That's
now.
really what the bone is about.
Yeah.
It's exactly that's what it is.
Yeah, man, that was it right there.
Bend your knees.
Man.
Push your knees together. Squeeze them. Push hard. Push. Push. Come on. Push.
Man.
Okay.
What? Man.
That was it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep.
Yeah, that was,
I heard that.
yeah.
We did that. I felt
Ankle
it
and
on my feet.
everything.
I felt it in my feet.
You felt what in your feet?
When he did that, I felt it pop in my feet.
Yeah, that was, yeah, for sure. See, I told you I'm finna be able to dunk. 12 feet, you feel? Yeah.
Dunk.
Yeah, you know, I'm finna be able to dunk on wheel.
You could dunk in this. Never mind.
Yeah, it's gonna be some good now. I just got it fixed. I had to take her for a tune-up. You got a tune-up?
I'm gonna beat you.
I got you a tune-up, shorty. You know, sometimes you gotta get a tune-up, man. It's been 11 years, man. You act like I'm getting a tune-up too. They call me Dunkin' Donuts.
That's because you like it.
I like what?
Donuts.
No, I don't.
They call you Dunkin' Donuts because you round like one.
Wow. What you want, man?
You just told me I'm gonna be so good now.
I say you gonna have a tune-up. I got you a tune-up.
Like I ain't been good.
You been good. You been Gucci. Now you Louis. He got it on my chest. He trying to hit my heartbeat.
Move down a little bit. Perfect. Right there.
Alright, cool. I'm tall, you know.
Lift your neck up, put it down. There it is.
I'm in the hole.
Yes. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. All the way out.
Damn!
Yours ain't cracked like mine.
Man, my shit just cracked, man. You lying.
Mine said,
I felt that. All of my shoulders and everything. Yeah. That was it. Yeah. I did feel like I lost a little weight. Yeah. Y'all see my six pack?
nah, I don't see it.
I needed that,
I
man.
see it,
All
too.
that upper back work and my neck, for sure. I feel like I felt something in my chest, man. But that's normal, right?
Yeah, it opened up.
Yeah.
That's why you can probably breathe in more. Take a deep breath in. Look at how easy and how much those lungs can expand now inside the chest.
Yeah. Dr. Shalabi. Make sure y'all tap in with him, man. He gonna get you together. If your booty cheeks off, he can adjust it.
See, you trying to be funny.
You trying to
Yeah, that was it right there.
No, sit face this way. You take this way. Good.
Yeah, that was it for sure.
in here.
Yeah.
Right in here.
Yeah, see, he getting me ready. Like, y'all don't want to fight, shorty. I get wild. Damn. He getting me ready for Floyd Mayweather. Mayweather Promotions. Come on with that change, G. Yeah. Yeah. What y'all trying to do, shorty? Like, I'm saying though, like, I don't think y'all want none of these, G.
Nobody, what they do? They hurt or something?
Nah, it's just, I feel like I can fight like 5 people right now, boy.
Lord.
Yeah, I feel like I can go outside and just start a fight and win.
You gonna die.
Yeah, I needed that. For sure.
Good.
Yeah. I appreciate that.
Feel 5 pounds lighter?
Yeah, I feel good, for sure.
I think he pulled it.
Nah, when he did that little move, when he twisted my body to the side, that was it right there. I ain't gonna lie. For sure. Definitely appreciate it.
Swung his body.
Yeah, I'm like, I was 5'9", I'm like 6'3" now.
Yeah.
I'm like 6'3", man. Yeah, see, I feel like I'm cocky and everything now.
You know height now.
No, you not look at me.
Look at him trying to
Look, I ain't hunched over no more. He just straightened my back up. I'm straight.
You too.
Yeah, look, I'm up here with him. How tall he is. Yeah, I needed that. I feel like I can drop down, get 50 push-ups and everything.
He was finna drop down to get his eagle on.
Yeah, I like that. I just want to know if his neck gonna crack while he holding the camera. Just let him crack your neck.
He's supposed to x-ray it first.
Oh yeah, he probably got an x-ray. We know Will neck probably straight already.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, I appreciate it though, for sure. Dr. Shalabi, man, make sure y'all tap in with him. He right here off 127th in Harlem. Well, what's this?
Pillows Heights.
What he said. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. More vlogs and content on the way. Appreciate y'all, man. Deuces.